Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm making another video today. I'm gonna be trying to install a two-step with MSD's two-step for Ford Mustangs. I don't know if you can use it from other car or not, but that's what I'm gonna do for my car. As you can see, it's standard. So I'd have to like splice in the wire somewhere down here. Oh man, this is gonna be crazy. It's supposed to be easy. I don't know. So we're gonna see the process. Okay, so here's the two-step. Here's the wiring harness. That's pretty easy. Looks like plug and play. These connect to like the coil packs. And here's like the clutch wire and stuff and all that. And then all these plugs plug into here. And then bam, two-step. It's freaking cold outside. What's today's date? I don't even know what's today's date. It's December 7th, 2019. Time is 3:21. It's freaking cold outside, so that's why I'm in here talking to you guys. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible, and maybe I might start shooting flames. I don't know. I have the Borla attacks in the back. I might shoot flames. I have no idea, so we're gonna see. Alright, so I have some screws here that it came with, and this MSD's two-step. So I'm gonna find a place to place it. I think right here would be fine. I'm not really sure where. This is plastic. I don't know, where should I put it? Right here looks like a good place, like if it belongs here, just like that, maybe. Hopefully the hood closes well. Should lower it just a little bit just to make sure. There's 3 screws and then three of these like little notches. There's 2 right here and then 1 right there. I think right here would be fine to place it. Yeah. I think most people place them here too, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, got my little Milwaukee. Oh my gosh, of course. I would drop it. That's cool. Alright, well, we'll get it later. Who's seen that coming? Alright, let's try it again. This time, let's be serious. There. Let me put the screw in a little more first. Oh, that went straight there. Okay. Got one in. Whew. I have one more screw. Oh, almost dropped it. No, oh, I caught it. I wonder if I got that on. Oh my goodness. This is becoming a fail, dude. Next take. I got it. Let's try this again. Oh my gosh. And that one is gone for good, I swear. Hell yeah. Fuck me, dude. Oh my gosh. It went inside there, bro. Inside this little fucking thing over here. That thing right in there. Oh my gosh, bro. I can never have nothing nice. I swear. And now I have to find a third one, which is underground somewhere. Hopefully I can find it. Okay, found another one. Oh my god, I'm about to take this glove off because this is pissing me off, bruh. Oh goodness, bruh. The brake booster fucking caught it. Yes. Ah, that's good enough. Am I still recording? Okay. That's good enough. That'll have to do. It's snug, doesn't move. That's all that matters. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking out these coil packs. So here's one. Oh wait, that's the injectors. Oops. I gotta plug that back in. These are the coil packs. Oh man, they're so brittle. This last one is being a little stubborn. Crunchy crunch. Captain Crunch. Alright, so these 4 coil packs are out. I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna record it because I don't know if you guys want to watch this or not. It's kind of boring. Alright, see you guys. Okay, so I have the wiring harness here. Here's the plugs that would plug into there. Here's the pins or whatever you want to call them. And it snakes around to a V. So these pins go over there. These pins come over here. And I'm gonna try to plug them in. Hopefully I know which ones go to which. Oh shit. These go here. Okay, I think I know what to do now. So these would plug into the coil pack itself, and then these plug into the engine's wiring harness. So they're a little different, as you can see. So these would plug into here. Try to do them in order so they can look nicely. I can't wait to start two-stepping. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna be doing it for no reason. And my car's not turbo, so I don't think you can really damage it. I mean, I'm sure you could damage, but not damage the turbo from two-stepping. Down in. Put this one on. These are definitely not like snapping on. You would think they'll snap on. I don't think there's a certain way to do it, to be honest. But these aren't like fitting right. Yeah, like, I think I have to start to the back first, to be honest. Start in the back first, which is weird. Oh my gosh, this wiring harness is heinous, dude. How am I supposed to do this? Hold on. Maybe it's this way instead? These will go here, these will go here. I feel like maybe that's better. So these two will go here. These two will go here. These two will go here, and then these two will go here. I don't know. It doesn't seem like it's fitting, like it wants to fit correctly. Fuck it, dude. It's fucking cold outside, bruh. Alright, fuck it. Just gotta do it like Nike. That clips on here. It goes like this. Weird. So this is this one. Here. This one would go here. And this clips on over here. Oh, another sting. Another sting, brother. Then this would clip here. And then this one would clip here. So they're all clipped in. All janky and whatnot. Ah, fuck, come on. That would clip like that. This wiring harness looks jank, dude. Oh, they actually all go in. They're all supposed to go in. Okay. That like that. That goes like that. Ah, that goes like that. Okay, so they all do clip in. Dude, I think that's how it goes. Oh man, this looks jank, dude. My engine bay does not look. It's a little Frankensteinish, but definitely going. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side, and the next clip will be me connecting these pins together. And then I have to figure out a way how to put the clutch wire down through there. Fuck, dude. Alright. Okay, it's getting kind of dark. I clipped on all the pins together. I wired the ground. Bam, look at that. Looking beautiful. Just Gotta tuck it nicely, and then I have to splice the blue wire into the clutch. The white wire I don't have to. That white wire goes into like some switch or button, but the blue wire goes into the clutch to activate it. And then after that I should be done, dude. My hands are freaking freezing. It's cold. It's probably like 20 something degrees, 30 something degrees. I'm freezing my balls off, but this is gonna get done today. Don't worry. Alright, what's up YouTube? So I guess I promised you guys some clips of the two-step, I think, in the previous clip. The two-step is mad loud and it's fucking violent as shit. Like, it's super violent. I'm at a beach right now. So hopefully no one tries to take my camera. I got these people following me. Oh my gosh. I think they see me two-stepping, so now I think they want to talk to me. This car is mad weird. I don't know if you can see it straight down there. That car is mad weird. Like, you see me in a parking lot, like, come on. Alright, I'm gonna set you guys outside. It's gonna be windy, so I don't know. Fuck it. I caught it. Oh, it's still recording. Here's an inside view of how it looks. First gear, clutch in. That's how you do it, baby. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. At this point, I only got like 5 subscribers. Like, I know I can do better. Like,